Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you that how you can use the PayPal smart checkout buttons into your website. So in the previous video I told you that how you can use these two type of buttons. Like you have the PayPal buttons. Once you are clicking over it, then you are going to the screen where you can sign in and then do the payment using the PayPal account. And another one is like use the credit or debit card functionality, in which once you are clicking over it, then you will be getting a form in which you can fill the details of the card, and then after you can click on the continue, and your customer could able to pay using the credit and debit card without having any PayPal account. So this is a lot more easier, and you know that this is interesting one as well, because nowadays we are stuck with the payment options. Sometimes we don't have the support on the payment gateways which are providing the credit debit card functionalities. So now we have the only solution, which is PayPal, using which we can actually access the credit debit card functionalities from our customers. All right, so for example, you can see this is the cart page and this one is the checkout page. So on the checkout page we also have the PayPal functionality over here, like the buttons which is yellow. You can also change the color and all. So all the things are over here. So in the if you will see the plugin which I have used here is the dashboard, and once you are clicking on the plugin, then you will be redirected to the list of plugins which I have installed and activated into my WordPress website. So of course you can also click on your dashboard and you will be getting this plugin menu, and over here you will be getting list of the plugins which you will have installed into your website. So now the thing is, like, I have used WooCommerce PayPal checkout gateway, which is of course helping us to accept the credit debit card functionalities into our website, so that the customers could able to pay us using credit or debit card. All right, so now the question is, like, you have seen the thumbnail of the video in which I have shown that I can help you to integrate the latest payment buttons which the PayPal has provided to us. So how is that one looking? So first of all, if you have not subscribed my channel, just click on this subscribe button below and subscribe my channel, and also like the videos as well, so that I get the appreciation that yes, I am providing useful content to my audience. So thanks. So for example, I am clicking on update now. So I'm going to update this plugin here, and if I am going to duplicate this one, for example, I am going to access this website on a new tab. So you can see over here I have just used here, and I'm going to refresh it again. Wait for a while. So it is just taking some time to load the page. So once I am clicking on the shop button, then it would be showing me all the products over here on my product page. So you can see all the products here. So once I am clicking on add to cart, then it would be added to the cart, and then after, yeah, I can click on the view cart. So once I am clicking over here, then and then I will be redirected to the cart page. So now you can see that I am here on the cart page, and finally we end up with the latest PayPal buttons which are over here. So you can see that we have the PayPal, and then we have the black button which is debit or credit card. To accept the debit or credit card, I mean, PayPal is providing you the functionality, like once you are clicking on the PayPal, then that means you are going to accept the payments using the from the customers who are just paying you using the PayPal account. And if someone has not any PayPal account, then he has the only option to do the payment using debit or credit card if he has not the PayPal account. And in most of the cases people are using the credit debit card for the purchase. So you can see that we again got the same form which we were getting in the earlier time. Means over here you can see that this scenario was like in the old plugin, but now you can see that I can get this black button, and you can see this form. Once we are filling this form, then we could able to continue and do the payment easily. All right, so one more functionality here is like if I am decreasing the value, then it automatically loads and updating my total amount. All right, so I have no need to click on any specific update button and all. All right, so this is one of the best thing. Once I am removing this one, then the amount would be updated automatically. So if I am clicking on the continue button, then you can see that I am here on the product page. Again, I can add any specific product from here. So once I am clicking on any specific product, then I would be, just wait for a while. So for example, I am just clicking on the view cart, then again I will be redirected to the cart page. Actually, I am gonna show you that on the product page you would also get the same button. So over here, for example, I have these two products, and if I am clicking on the beginner bootcamp, so you can see that once this is completely loading, then those buttons would be shown over here like earlier you was able to see. So we are just waiting for its loading time. It is taking long time actually. Yeah, finally we got these buttons. Now I am clicking on beginner bootcamp, this product page. So you can see that I have all the details of that specific product, and over here you can see that this is the image of the product, and we also got the PayPal button over here and debit or credit card over here, right? So this is one of the best functionality that PayPal has provided, because we are suffering from a lot of issues nowadays, because the people are not able to accept the payment using the PayPal itself, because customers who are going to purchase the product, they don't have the PayPal account. So at the end they are going to use the credit and debit card. So we must have the credit debit card functionality for our customers. So of course the other payment gateways has a lot of stuff they are checking and everything, and we need to do the activation and approval and privacy policies, and there are a lot of stuff that we need to prove to them. Then after we end up with the credit debit card functionality, but the PayPal is providing us free of cost. We have no need to bother about. We need to just do a few things and we will end up with these buttons. All right, so I think if you are getting any specific issue, I will be adding my contact number in the description below. So feel free to contact me if you are stuck with something, and I will definitely help you out with the issue you are facing. So if you have needed such type of integration into your website, I will be helping you out. Just contact me. I will immediately try my best to respond you and help you out with whatever issue you will be facing. All right, so I have also created more videos on Stripe and PayPal. You can also watch those videos, how to create the account, how to get the API credentials of the PayPal, and a lot of other stuff I have on my channel. So if you are thinking that you are also wanted to know something, then you can explore my channel. A lot of other things you will be knowing about which you might not have the knowledge. So in the next video I will be showing you a lot of other good stuff which would be helping you out with all the things which you don't know. So of course you should subscribe this channel first and like the video as well. So if you have any issue, just feel free to contact me and just comment on the comment section, and also contact me on my WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. All the links of my video courses are below in the description, which are absolutely free. So in the next video we would learn new and wonderful things. Please subscribe this channel firstly to get the information of updated videos. In the comment section you can write your feedback about the video and also write your queries if you have any. Have a nice day ahead.